Fake news, what is it? It's not simply incorrect information. Please get it right. It only fake news. People say, it's not correct, it's not true. Fake news is reporting fictions. What do you know fictions? Fake news is not only about something is not true, a lie. Something that I want to trade. Something that is not okay. Something that's happened to you. That's why it was here. That's in my 2020. I mean, somebody said it was here that I was 15. That's when you saw me. That I've been here since 2030. You will not tell me that it's fake. So what is what you see now? Is a report. That's fake news. It's fake. That's why some people are going to load video that have passed before. Don't know that they will now bring it down and say this is what is happening. That's convention. Nothing? That's fake news. Fake news when you understood and the use of news media in a strategic narrative way to deliberately enforce belief among the audience. What do you want your audience to believe? So, it becomes fake news when I begin to use ties to reinforce what I want you to believe. If I say, it's a bad man, not going to be a bad man. It's a bad man. That is, I want him to be a bad man. He has offended me. Maybe he has told me, maybe he has got me up in the garden for 3 days. Okay, I want to get back to him. It's a bad man. That's the picture I'm going to have. I'm not going to use different scenarios, even though he's doing his job. I will not make it look as if he's a bad man. I'm not enforcing it. He did this, he did that, he lost somebody up also. Maybe he's not, maybe he's no nonsense man. He said, it's this to this person. When he was in the group, he did the same thing. So to make it look more bad. Fake news is a political tool. Or the word, disruptors, and the same word, and workers. So it's the word in the election. I mean, so you can remember and what it's that was a good force for him. Now he has not been before. He told that he won the election, the basket and he win it. He said he won it. So as because he won it now, we want to disrupt the whole thing and put up the spirit in the up. You now went out and said, yes, he won it, let's destroy it. That's what it is. So what is fake news nature? We go for parties. We will get that to where? With profit, more profits. We to separate people. We to manipulate. We to reach up. Something to create unfavorable policy. You don't make a policy. Don't make it very well. Policy. And you don't do that. I know people are going to accept. I mean, I will create something that after see what we are doing because they did this, and then why this policy does work. When we are doing this policy, it is what? It is fake news. Fake news not only about people. Even government, everybody, they do this to what? To invite fake news. Politically, fake news is propaganda. The type of propaganda. Hitler said, kill the British. The youth, he inflamed them. They were enemies. Later, convention. From Julian Garcia, the whole convention. By the way, they said, we are holding there. So now ask you, why were they embarked on those march? Because it's your enemy. So what have they done to become your enemy? You tell them now. It's your enemy. Kill them. Just like this country now. The answer, he says, the Igbos are ready to kill them. People says, Hausa cannot do. Anna will say, Igbo. You see, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. Don't do that. And for you are dividing this country, using tribal to divide this country for their own side mission. And in the background, I'm manipulating everybody. I don't for the same nation. So why is all this business thing of and this one, that one? And some people are fueling people around. Fueling bandits, fueling Muslims, fueling those people. Create a kind of environment that will do that, these are the people that are getting so full. When you smoke effectively, narrative either by control of fake news, spray on anxiety. And I said, how did we use? anxiety. COVID-19 is killing everybody. Anxiety, therefore, you have to do this, do that. Fears. Existing words, problems. Now we move. That is what is when a human being, this treating, the first one is anything of fear. You can massage them, you can do what you want to do, you can put fear in their heart. And you tell them, I'm going to face that. They fear, you will do what you want to do. If you train anxieties, so those are the things they need to do to make fake news work. Understanding of fake news. If you understand fake news, like I told you, political economy of fake news. Fake news is like gold mine. It cannot go away. You only manage it. The more a light is shown upon it, the more important that our family is food will set. They'll tell you that if it is not true, why are we fighting it? That's why I quoted the information ministry, so tell me about that instance. See, the way of people that say, why are we able to find a reason to touch you? That thing will be true when you're fighting against it. If not true, you're fighting against it. Every input you are talking. So when we come back to the point, I told you facts or fake. I know now they don't refer to this. Because a fake news told lies, told same factor, you know what? And you know what? Because it's the facts. I need facts to establish truth. So, nothing has changed. Facting is fake or faking is fact. If you want to fact the fake, what do? So that was in is bad. That I talked to them they call it on this. I call it, and that is what you are doing well. I mean, you're doing like that. Some people are doing well. I need to see your own like that. Please, the honest will take strategic communication very serious. What is called strategic communication? Very, very serious. How did they invade Iraq? They first hang that man, Saddam Hussein, the bad man. Why is he a bad man? He has mass weapon of war, mass destruction. Till tomorrow, they will not find that mass destruction. And who are the people they use? CNN, credible news. CNN is credible. CNN has put up that now. They use CNN, BCC, those are their ham, those are their dogs. And say, he has it here, he must have it here. At least he must have it. You want to kill your own, but therefore, he's a bad man. The best thing to invade this man on time before you carry out this plan. Invade Iraq now. The tools of them now. How do you like this? So tomorrow, the whole power of man is open for Iraq. Iraq, as long as it's in the game, Iraq is worse off. How is man is over here? What about Iraq? Right. I mean, fake the facts and find the fake. And the same people are using today. Manipulate military, manipulate everybody. See, the narrative is to create spiral of self-defense, to steal what people reason, and to blackmail non-believers. He said, so you are partnering. That's why, because of, you are very soon, Bush saw some countries that feel like they can react against that. So an axis of evil. I mean, people like this country in them, Iran, many of them, so these people are what? Axis so that, if you talk, they are part of them, like what I want to do together. They are axis of what? Or evil. How are you doing? What is the power of silence? When the witnesses are going on, if you talk against them, they are part of them. So silence you. You do that. The first story, you don't have to pursue non-believer. To affirm the fears of those already convenienced. Everybody has their mindset. You have to pronounce it. A lot of money. That's why sometimes you need that. People say, and I don't know for these people are promoting. I don't know that person. But all of them are promoting from the West. All my friends, all these self-motivated people, and they don't have to worry that, let me try to go to Bible. Try to call you one time. See, I don't think mentality of clever something. I don't know where it's come from. And this thing is you not fit in each other. Everybody have bias, but I'll tell you something. If you are somebody who has that kind of bias and this clever something, you don't go far. Because you miss your people who will do you good in life. You miss them. There are people who are good, who are good. Some of us, I think I go beyond that level of things about this business, kind of thing. Like this economic nonsense. I want to see who are you. I'm not concerned about who are you. Pastor, you are corrupted truths and the fake news. There's a truth. To make it fake, what do? Let's correct it. Those of you are getting better than what I'm going to say. You have a good speaker. Look at the audience. The candidate of fake news is this. And God's feeling is correct. What I'm feeling right now is the feeling is going to be correct. So those who are seeing you too, you will not give information to affirm that thing. My fears are valid and legitimate. My voice is being silent in favor of what? Compatible narratives. The strategies. This is the part of person. It's always in the dark. They are always in the dark doing this evil. You see, those who play those right things and that. And so quickly, what are those things that you will use to avoid fake news? One, you will find those who are affected. You know, when they cheated you know what? So those who are affected, they will create news stories that can fool their setting very well. So, say, get America back. These people are in our country. Let's build war to cut off Mexicans. They are not creating problem for us. And so the white extremists, you know what? Second one, find their anxieties. So the thing that is making them feel dissatisfied. You take away your job when this is a person. They will take away your space when it comes in. Therefore, they must not work, they must not fit to anyone that must not fit to this. And that's why I like America. That's all for me. America first. Just to get those white extremists in war to his own side. Third one, affirm those anxieties and outright lies to confirm it. After have truth or any truth. Fourth one, remind them that anyone who attempts to correct the lies and falsehood is fundamentally their enemy. Don't use all this very well. I want to give the next one. Where I will use all the, I'm trying the species, all 12 species to teach communication. CNN, bad news. I mean, then they are fake news. All those people that are being calling, they are all fake news. Continue. They now say, those who are saying that, I say, CNN is your bidding. It's for CNN, don't vote him. CNN will call me, just do what? Don't do that to get the prices right.